Welcome back to quantreef.com. Solana sitting right at 76.95, hovering almost exactly on session VWAP, which makes this a genuine decision zone. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and the likely path over the next several hours. Price is at 76.95, just under session VWAP at 76.99, and hugging the two anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low, sitting around 75.86 and 75.94. Trend and structure score read strong at 80, but volatility and sentiment layers are soft, so momentum is neutral. Price is accepted above the anchored VWAPs but stalling right under session value, meaning neither side has full control yet. We don't have clean liquidation pool data printed on this card right now, so I'll lean on the order flow and structure layers instead, which score well and suggest resting size clustering just above and below current price. Markets tend to drift toward these pockets of resting orders before reversing, since that's where stops concentrate and give the move its fuel. On screen, resistance above sits at 77.37 as target 1, then 79.8156 as target 2, and 82.3414 as target 3. Below, support shows at 75.91, the 1-hour swing low, then the stop-loss zone at 75.0552. Given stop hunt risk is flagged high, I'd expect the 77.37 resistance to get tested first, with a break back under 75.91 invalidating the bullish red. Above, there's a daily bearish gap from 78.83 up to 80.34, already over half filled, acting as a magnet with high revisit odds. Below, a 4-hour bullish gap sits just under price, 76.45 to 76.85, barely touched and likely to get revisited. On the Fibonacci side, price is riding just above the 1.618 extension near 76.80, with 2.0 at 77.47 as the next target. I'd expect the nearby bull gap and that 1.618 level to get tested before the deeper daily gap comes into play. This one's graded watch, N at 85, HTS at 62. Trend and structure, volume and liquidity, and relative strength are carrying the score, while statistical volatility, behavioral sentiment, and institutional positioning are dragging it down. Retail and top account long percentages aren't showing right now, but the 4-hour taker split is basically split, 48.5% long against 51.5% short, meaning shorts are marginally more aggressive but nobody's heavily offside yet. Given price is sitting right under session VWAP and just above the 1.618 extension, I'd lean toward a probe up into that 77.37 resistance first, since reach odds favor the upside test over the next 12 to 24 hours. If buyers push through, 79.81 becomes the next magnet, tagging that daily bear gap. If sellers defend it, look for a fade back towards 75.91 and the anchored VWAP cluster. Remember, Solana largely takes its cues from Bitcoin, so check Bitcoin's own liquidity picture before leaning either way here. Bullish case confirms above 77.37 targeting the entries card 77.45 and higher. Bearish case confirms under 75.91, invalidated back above VWAP. So we're at a genuine decision point, and whichever side takes the next pocket of liquidity likely sets the tone from here. If this kind of breakdown helps, drop a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability, and liquidity read across over 100 coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. As always, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.